Malaika hambai tini sini Tiprasa amkrani bagai sang jora-jora salayo sini social media balai society ni bagai important abno base klai sini 2018 wa government change sangmani loge no sini honorable chief minister former chief minister Biplab Kumar Dev bini period bini presence sini Khumulong ni TTADC Tripura Tribal Area Autonomous District Council area na base klai te sara Tripura ni Tripura sani bagai kaisa platform permanent platform sangsawi rijaka 2021 ni 5 तारिख मार्च और जगह Tiprasa Press Club Hongsitung नहीं स्टेट गवर्नमेंट ने बिसिंगथिं खायै abano inaugurate khlai rijak mani wa jong tini nuka prai 2021 singkai tabuk 2023 prai 2-3 years kasama jawa already lai thangka tabuk phuna borok ni permanent tamahin location tabuk phuna rijak yapung ka abano khnabai tine ang sakbai thang sini khorang ni chief sini Daronjit Burma taiboni team sebai khai Khumulongo visit khai thika era sini old building tongo abo belai phino khub kaham hatar tei nai khang kang kai khub nai thotok building kotor kintu bisinga thangai habai nai khang kai mung sapana kerei kai abo borokno aro jagauna temporary shift khai ton mane